BMC Board Chairman Fuat Tosyali revealed that Turkey will kick off deliveries of its domestically developed Altay main battle tank in the third quarter of 2025. This announcement, shared via the social media account of @Karimhak, marks a crucial step in Turkey's long-term defense plan to reinforce self-sufficiency in military manufacturing. The Altay program, launched in 2018, reflects Turkey's strategic goal to build a fully homegrown armored vehicle. One of its primary objectives is to maximize local content, aiming for 95% Turkish-made components, especially in critical subsystems like the powertrain, which is being developed by BMC Power, a subsidiary of BMC. The tank itself is built on a modular design that allows for flexibility in deployment and upgrades. It merges offensive strength, defensive integrity, and tactical mobility into a single combat-ready package that can be tailored for a wide range of operational demands. The origins of the Altay date back to its early development by Turkish manufacturer Otokar, working in tandem with South Korea's Hyundai Rotem, the maker of the K2 Black Panther. A prototype of the Altay was first shown publicly in 2012 at a high-profile event attended by former Prime Minister Erdogan. After years of tests and evaluations, BMC assumed leadership of the project in 2018 with the task of mass production. Under a formal agreement with the Turkish Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB, BMC is set to deliver 250 units initially, with the option to produce up to 1,000. Several major defense firms are involved in the program. Aselsan handles advanced electronics, Roketsan provides armor solutions, Havelsan oversees systems integration, and MKEK manufactures the main gun. The production will roll out in phases, starting with the T1 variant, followed by the upgraded T2 and the advanced T3. The T1 version, which will be the first off the line, includes layered modular armor and an active protection suite. The upcoming T2 model is set to include laser-guided munitions, thermal camouflage, a sealed ammunition compartment, and a built-in crew training system. The T3, still in the testing phase, is expected to incorporate an automatic loader and a remote-controlled turret. The Altay's main cannon is a 120mm L55 smoothbore gun, developed domestically by MKE through a partnership with Hyundai Rotem. This weapon is built for pinpoint accuracy and high effectiveness, even against moving targets. The tank's secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and an externally mounted remote-controlled weapon station that supports either 7.62mm or 12.7mm guns. To enhance survivability, 8 smoke launchers are mounted on the turret's rear flanks. Defensive measures on the Altay include a composite armor suite created by Roketsan, capable of absorbing and deflecting both kinetic and explosive threats. The tank also integrates an active defense system and spall liners to protect the crew from internal fragmentation. Roketsan has developed a specialized facility to produce and test these ballistic systems. On the mobility front, the Altay is now equipped with the indigenous Bata V12 engine, which churns out 1,500 horsepower. This engine replaces the German-made MTU and Renk systems used in prototypes, underlining Turkey's intent to break away from foreign reliance. The power pack is linked to an automatic transmission with 5 forward and 3 reverse gears, enabling a top speed of 70 km per hour on paved roads and 45 km per hour off-road. It also boasts strong performance on steep gradients and deep water crossings, with a combat range of around 500 km. The tank's combat systems include a fire control suite with panoramic commander optics, target tracking AI, day/night sights, and laser rangefinders. It also features C3I capabilities for battlefield communication and coordination, a CBRN defense system, backup power supply, automatic fire suppression, and full situational awareness tools. Designed for a 4-person crew, the Altay positions the driver at the front, with the gunner and commander in the turret's right section, and the loader on the left. The engine is mounted in the rear. Assembly and testing are conducted in a modernized 1,000 square meter plant in Arifai, which includes engine and transmission validation facilities. A second plant in Ankara helps support full-scale production. According to the latest military balance report, the Turkish military operates a diverse fleet of 2,378 main battle tanks. This includes various configurations of the Leopard 2, Leopard 1, M60, and M48 tanks. With the Altay set to enter service in 2025, Turkey is poised to modernize its armored forces with a new generation of domestically designed vehicles. Alongside its national deployment, the Altay is also intended to be marketed internationally. Turkey's recent success in exporting the Bayraktar UAV has improved its profile in the global defense industry. Officials hope to leverage that success by promoting the Altay to allies such as Qatar and Azerbaijan. However, to gain traction abroad, the Altay will need to demonstrate reliability, affordability, and scalability, especially in competition with tank offerings from Asia and Russia. With its advanced systems, native design, and scalable production, the Altay MBT symbolizes Turkey's ambition to dominate both its domestic defense landscape and a growing share of the global arms market. If it proves successful in the field, the Altay could become a defining force in modern armored warfare for decades to come.